So we have a garbage disposal that's not working. As you can see, when we turn the switch on, there's a humming noise indicating something is jammed. We can try to free that jam using the wrench provided by the garbage disposal, and it goes up under the garbage disposal, and you can try to use it to free up whatever's jamming the disposal. This one is extremely difficult to turn and it's not working, so we're going to change this one out. So this is the new unit, same as the one we have, Badger 15SS. We're going to prep it for installation. One of the things we have to do is to connect the dishwasher. Whenever you connect the dishwasher, it goes to this piece right here. There is a plug in there, if you can see inside of there, that you need to knock out. So we're going to knock that out, and then we'll be ready to install it inside. So to knock the plug out, we're just going to use a screwdriver or this rod, and we're going to tap it until we hear it come out. There you go. I felt it come out. Now we're ready to remove the old unit. We're going to make sure it's unplugged so the power is off. We're going to disconnect or loosen a few connections here for the plumbing. It doesn't need to be all the way off. We're just going to loosen it. We're going to take these two screws or bolts out. We can disconnect the dishwasher drain hose. Now if we remove this clamp here, we can remove the unit. Now we can reuse this unit, take the cord off, prepare the other unit for installation.